Sometimes your design calls for dimensions that are relative. For example, a button should take 70% of the app's width, or a margin should take 10% of a widget. Fractionally sized box can do just that. Wrap the child you want sized with fractionally sized box. Give it a height and/or width factor. 0.7 means 70% of the available size. And you can use alignment to control where exactly the fractionally sized widget will be. Use fractionally sized box with no child for fractionally sized white space. You'll probably want to wrap this fractionally sized box in a flexible widget so it plays well with a row or a column. For more info on fractionally sized box and all the other Flutter widgets, head to flutter.dev.